Hi, my name is Travis Faulkner. My client was Jonathan Shu, and my advisor is Dr. Bune. And my project was an NFC Roll Call application. So, for those of you who don't know what NFC is, you can think of it as Bluetooth. With a couple of differences, there's no pairing code and there's no batteries in the device being read. What it does is it emits an electromagnetic field that powers up the device being read just enough to transfer data between the two. And it's a very short range. We're talking about centimeters, very close. So the problem statement was my client, he works for a government organization called DMDC, and they want to use this technology with their what they call common access cards. It's a badge they use with a RFID chip in it. It has all their information, their name, their social, everything. So they wanted a way to securely use that information for things like decrypting email, roll call application. They wanted a proof of concept to see if it works with their technology. When I went into the project, they had it, but it was only used with older cards that were more than a year out. So they had a lower type of encryption, and they couldn't get it to work with the newest ones they had in the field today. So my solution was an NFC roll call application for the Android phone, and make it work with all types of common access cards they use today. And it's not just DMDC that uses these cards, it's any government organization here, East Coast, DLI, they all use these access cards. So the methodology I used for this project is, first, does it work with the newest type of cards? If I couldn't get this to work with the newest type of cards, I didn't want to do the project. I wanted this to be a real world proof example that it works, and to give them this technology to use in the future. After that, build a functioning roll call application, kind of like a proof of concept that it works, and to demo it for them. And then finally, work on the GUI side and design a user-friendly layout for them. So the hardware I used was, I designed this on a Google Nexus 7, and the software was basically Eclipse and Android SDK. What I learned is I learned a lot about NFC technology, Android application development, Android OS development, because to get it to work with the newest type of access cards, I had to build their own Android OS, which is operating system for the phones for them to use it. And project management skills, we learned a lot about time management, being organized, following through a project and seeing it through, thanks to Kevin. So thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions or want to see a demo of the project, I'm in room 160.